tell you the most frustrating thing, I guess, working in as a driver is when you have to swap out your tractor, your truck. It's frustrating because you've been with the truck for a while, you get used to it, you like it, and then boom, can you swap it out for a different one, please? Don't get me wrong, this is a way nicer truck. It's brand new, and it's more beefier, it's stronger. I just like my Mack truck. So now I gotta get used to driving this monster. Nothing against it. I'm just used to